If you're a homeowner in Miami looking to boost the visual charm and value of your property, one of the simplest yet most impactful upgrades is installing a new front door. Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a focal point that sets the tone for your home's style, security, and energy efficiency. In a market where curb appeal can significantly influence buyer interest and neighborhood perception, updating your door can be a game-changing decision. First impressions matter. When someone approaches your home, the front door is often the first thing they see. A faded, damaged, or outdated door can drag down the entire aesthetic of your property. On the other hand, a well-chosen door, whether modern, classic, or coastal chic, instantly elevates your home's appearance. In Miami, where architectural styles range from Art Deco and Mediterranean Revival to sleek modern builds, the right door can harmonize with your home's exterior and highlight its unique character. Custom finishes, decorative glass inserts, side lights, or bold color choices can give your entryway personality and flair. This enhanced visual appeal makes a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers alike. Increased property value. A stylish new door doesn't just look great, it also adds tangible value to your property. According to industry studies, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment in door replacement during resale. This is especially true in competitive real estate markets like Miami, where buyers often judge a home's potential within the first few minutes of a showing. Even small details like high-end handles, polished hardware, or smart lock integration can enhance perceived quality. When buyers see a secure, energy-efficient, and stylish entryway, it signals that the home is well cared for and thoughtfully updated. Boosted security and peace of mind. Miami residents know the importance of home security, especially during hurricane season or in areas with fluctuating crime rates. A door that's old, worn, or poorly installed can be a security risk. New door installations often come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials that provide a stronger line of defense. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, offer durability against intrusions and harsh weather. They're built to resist warping, rusting, and cracking, all common issues in humid or coastal climates. By upgrading, you not only protect your family but also increase your home's appeal as a safe, resilient property. Improved energy efficiency. Curb appeal isn't only about aesthetics, it's also about function. A new door can greatly improve your home's energy efficiency, especially during Miami's hot, humid summers. Older doors often have gaps, poor seals, or outdated materials that allow air to escape, driving up cooling costs. Modern doors feature tighter seals, energy-efficient cores, and advanced insulation technologies that help maintain interior temperatures and reduce strain on HVAC systems. Many options are ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they meet strict efficiency standards. Lower utility bills and increased indoor comfort are strong selling points for any Miami property. Customized to your home and climate. From sleek, contemporary glass-paneled doors perfect for downtown condos to rustic wood-grain finishes that suit historic Coral Gables homes, there's a style to match every Miami residence. Many manufacturers offer customizable options to fit non-standard entryways, blend with pastel-colored exteriors, or mimic South Florida's laid-back, tropical vibe. In hurricane-prone regions like Miami, you also have the option of impact-rated doors that meet local building codes. These doors not only look stylish but also add a layer of protection that buyers actively seek when purchasing a home in the area. Conclusion: a smart, stylish upgrade. Replacing or upgrading your front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance your Miami property's curb appeal. Whether you want to make a statement with a bold design, improve security, or increase energy savings, a new door brings style, value, and function together in a single upgrade. In a city known for its vibrant architecture and high standards of living, don't let an outdated entryway hold your home back. A new door could be the finishing touch that takes your curb appeal and property value to the next level.